Hello, I'm Becca Dye. I'm a freelance graphic designer, but I decided to pick up macrame on the side because I want a little more hands-on craft to do when I wasn't looking at a computer screen. I jumped on the macrame bandwagon almost 2 years ago now, and it's the one craft that I've tried that I really wanted to keep pursuing because it's just that fun and easy to create really stunning pieces. It's really a timeless craft that you will never regret learning how to do. What's also great is that it doesn't take an expensive list of materials to get started. In this class, I will be teaching you in depth how to make your very own macrame satchel bags. Depending on your skill level, you can go as simple and as detailed as you want. This class is for beginner and intermediate levels, so please everyone just come join in. Reserve your spot today for my live online class at curiousmondo.com where you can conquer new possibilities.